Solving exponential inequality. Okay, let's have the review. What is exponential inequality? When we say exponential inequality is an inequality involving exponential expressions. Another definition, an inequality in which one or both sides contain a variable exponent. These are the examples. 4 is less than 4 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 greater than 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 1. Another example is 9 raised to the power of 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 9 raised to the power of 2x plus 1. And last example, 1 over 81 raised to the power of x minus 6 is less than or equal to 1 over 9 raised to the power of 3x plus 5. Okay, activity number 1. Let's identify which of the following is exponential inequality or not. For number 1, f of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of x. Exponential inequality ba siya or hindi? Okay, it's not because it is a exponential function. How about number 2? Okay, it is not exponential inequality because it is exponential equation. So, not. So, how about number 3? Okay, that is exponential inequality. How about number 4? Okay, it's not. How about number 5? Very good, it's not. How about number 6? Okay, it's not because it is exponential equation. So, not ang sagot natin. How about number 7? Not. 8. Okay, very good. It's inequality. 9. Okay, not. And lastly, number 10. Okay, also not example of exponential inequality. So, at least alam na natin mag-identify what is exponential inequality. Property of exponential inequalities. First, if b is greater than 1, then the exponential function y is equal to b raised to the power of x is increasing for all x. This means that b raised to the power of x is less than b raised to the power of y if and only if x is less than y. So, if the base is greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. So, tanda natin, kung yung base natin is mas mataas sa 1, ang direction of inequality natin ay i-retain natin. So, if b greater than 0 but less than 1, then the exponential function y is equal to b raised to the power of x is decreasing for all x. This means that b raised to the power of x is greater than b raised to the power of y if and only if x is less than y. So dito, if the base is less than 1, the direction of the inequality is reverse. So babaliktarin natin dito. Kunwari, ang base natin is from between 0 to 1, 0.5, 0.23, yung direction ng inequality natin is mababaliktad or marireverse ito. Rules in solving exponential inequality. First, if the same real number is added to or subtracted from both sides of an inequality, the sense of the inequality is not changed. If both sides of an inequality are multiplied by or divided by the same positive real number, the sense of inequality is not changed. So, tatandaan natin, kung ang dinivide natin ay same positive real number, hindi magbabago yung inequality niya. Pero, if both sides of an inequality are multiplied by or divided by the same negative real numbers, the sense of the inequality is changed. So, pag ang dinivide natin ay the same negative real number, yung inequality natin ay magbabago. So, it changes. Okay, so let's have example number 1. 5 raised to the power of x minus 7 is greater than 25. So, first thing to do, yung 25, i-express natin into exponential function. Okay, exponential expression. So, magiging 5 raised to the power of 2 or 5 square. So, 5 raised to the power of x minus 7 is greater than 5 raised to the power of 2. So, kung makikita nyo class, parehas na yung base natin. Kung parehas na yung base natin, ibig sabihin, pwede na nating isolve yung inequality natin. Pero tandaan, since the base is 5 is greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. So, itong direction nito, i-retain natin. Greater than pa rin siya. So, x minus 7 is greater than 2. Then, we solve for x, then x greater than 2 plus 7. So, bakit siya naging plus 7? Kasi nga, itong minus 7, inilipat natin siya sa kabila para maging, we combine like terms. So, x greater than 2 plus 7 is x greater than 9. So, our solution is, the solution set is close and open parenthesis 9 and positive infinity. So, kung makikita nyo, yung parenthesis natin ganito. Ibig sabihin, hindi kasama sa solution yung 9. Okay, another example. 4 raised to the power of 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 256. So, yun nga, una natin gagawin, yung 256 is i-express natin into exponential expression na ang base natin ay 4. So, 4 raised to the power of 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. So, kung makikita nyo, the same na yung base natin, 4. So, since the base is 4 is less than, greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. So, i-retain natin yung inequality natin, inequality sign. So, kukunin natin yung exponent natin, yung 3x minus 5, tsaka yung 4. So, 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 4. Then, we solve for x. We solve for the value of x. So, 3x is less than or equal to 4 plus 5. And then, 3x less than or equal to 9, then kailangan natin ma-eliminate yung kasama ng x natin. So, ang kasama ng x natin ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang i-divide natin ay 3. So, 3x over 3 is less than or equal to 9 over 3. So, makakancel ito. Then, ang matitira is x is less than or equal to 3. So, our solution is, so dahil less than siya, negative infinity, then 3. Kung makikita nyo ito yung ginamit natin kasi nga, meron siyang equal. So, ibig sabihin, kasama ang 3 sa solutions natin. Okay, so another example, 2 raised to the power of x is less than 2 raised to the power of 3x plus 10. So, class, kung makikita nyo, okay na yung base natin na 2. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. Pero, tingnan natin kung ma-reverse or ma-retain yung inequality natin. So, since the base is 2 is greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. Okay, let's solve. X is less than 3x plus 10. So, depende kung itong x ang ililipat mo sa kabila or yung 3x. So, try natin muna tong yung ililipat natin is yung x natin. So, negative 10 is less than 3x minus x. So, negative 10, 3x minus x is 2x. So, kailangan natin ma-eliminate itong 2. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, i-divide natin sa 2 both sides. So, makakancel na itong 2. So, negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. So, ang sagot natin is x greater than negative 5. So, mali po yung negative 5 less than x. So, ang tamang pagbasa is x greater than negative 5. Yun po yung tama. So, paano naman pag yung 3x ang inilipat natin sa kabila? So, let's try. So, ililipat natin itong 3x dito. So, x minus 3x less than 10. So, x minus 3x is negative 2x less than 10. So, kailangan natin ma-eliminate yung kasama ng x natin. That is negative 2. So, divided by negative 2 both sides. So, cancel. So, tandaan class yung rules natin. Pag nag-divide or nag-multiply tayo ng negative sign, itong inequality sign natin mag-iiba. So, magiging x is greater than negative 5. So, our solution set is the quantity of negative 5 to positive infinite. So, tandaan, pag nag-divide tayo, nag-multiply tayo ng negative sign, so mag-change o magre-reverse yung inequality natin. Okay, another example. So, nakarami na tayong example. So, 27 raised to the power of 5x minus 11 is greater than or equal to 9 raised to the power of 3x plus 15. So, kung makikita nyo, hindi parehas yung base natin. So, anong gagawin natin? Kailangan the same sila. So, kung makikita nyo class, ang magiging base natin sa both side is 3. So, itong 27 class, that is 3 raised to the power of 3. So, 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So, close and open, 5x minus 11. So, dito naman sa 9, 3 squared is 9. Then, 2. Okay. So, 3 squared, the quantity of 3x plus 15. So, kinapi ko lang siya. So, dahil parehas na yung base natin, pwede na natin isolve yung x natin. So, tingnan natin kung magbabago ba yung sign or yung inequality sign natin. So, since the base is 3 is greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. So, tandaan, meron tayong exponent dito sa 3 na 3, dun sa, sa 27, and dun sa 9 naman is 3 square. So, isasama lang natin yon. So, 3 times the quantity of 5x minus 11 is greater than or equal to 2 times 3x plus 15. Then, distributive property ang gagamitin natin. So, 3 times 5x is 15 minus 33. So, dito din sa kabila, ganun din yung gagawin natin. So, 2 times 3x, that is positive 6x. 2 times 15 is 30. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. So, combine like terms na tayo. So, 15x minus 6x is greater than or equal to 30 plus 33. So, 15x minus 6x is 9x. And 30 plus 33 is 63. So, divide it by 9 both sides. So, x is greater than or equal to 7. Since that the solution set is 7 positive infinite. So, kasama po yung 7 sa solution natin. Okay, last two example. 8 raised to the power of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1. So, dito, ang problem natin, yung isa, whole number, yung base niya, and yung isa naman is fraction. So, anong gagawin natin? So, pero kailangan to solve an exponential inequality, kailangan parehas pa rin yung base natin. So, yung 8 kasi class, kung express mo siya in exponential expression, 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 raised to the power of 3. So, ano naman yung 1/2? So, yung 1/2 class, alam natin na 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So, paano pag 2 raised to the power of negative 1? So, ibig sabihin, 2 raised to the power of negative 1 is 1/2. So, yun nga. So, magiging 2 raised to the power of 3 times x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 times 2x minus 1. So, as sabi ko nga kanina, 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So, how about 2 raised to the power of negative 1? So, that is equal to positive 1 half. So, since the base is 2 greater than 1, the direction of the inequality is retained. So, pwede na natin siyang isolve. So, ganun pa rin yung pag-solve class. So, pag ganito, kailangan natin gamitin yung distributive property. So, 3 times x and 3 times negative 1. Then, dito naman sa kabila, negative 1 times 2x, then negative 1 times negative 1. So, magiging 3x minus 3 is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. Then, ililipat lang natin itong negative 2x sa kabila at saka itong negative 3 naman sa kabila. So, magiging 3x plus 2x less than or equal to 1 plus 3. So, 3x plus 2x, 5x less than or equal to 4. Then, kailangan natin makancel yung 5. So, magdi-divide tayo ng 5 both sides. So, x is less than or equal to 4 over 5. So, our solution set is negative infinite 4 over 5. So, kung makikita nyo class, dito banda, ang ginamit natin is ito. So, kasama sa solution yung 4 over 5. Okay, so, sa dami nating example, so okay na tayo doon. So, dito na siguro tayo magla-last example. So, dito sa given is, ang base natin is mga fraction. So, 1 over 6 raised to the power of 2x minus 10 less than or equal to 1 over 36 raised to the power of 3x plus 13. So, kailangan parehas sila ng base. So, kung ang 1 over 6 is 6 raised to the power of negative 1, so, ang 1 over 36 naman is 6 raised to the power of 2. So, the same lang yung mga sample natin kanina. So, okay na yung base natin. So, yung base natin is 6 that is greater than 1. So, yung inequality natin mare-retain. So, ganun pa din, ayan, kailangan lang natin gamitin yung distributive property to solve the value of x. So, ano ba yung value of x natin? So, your x should be less than or equal to negative 9. So, anong solution natin, class? Solution set is negative infinite to negative 9 or negative 9 to negative infinite. So, kasama pa rin yung negative 9 kasi nga less than or equal to negative 9. So, kasamang negative 9 sa solution. So, yan nga class. So, congratulations. So, at least marami kayong natutunan ngayon. So, I hope manood pa rin kayo sa aking mga susunod na videos in general mathematics. So, thanks for watching. So, this is Sir Christian, your mathematics tutor.